Inverter. Inverter.
Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Identifying Leaf Disease with the Comparison of Local Server. Abstract. In agriculture, detecting the leaf disease is a challenging task that is used to prevent the serious outbreak. Most of the plants are caused by fungi, bacteria and viruses, where the fungi is placed on the reproductive structure of the plant. Hence, the bacteria is more harmful than the fungi and it has simpler life cycle. Similarly, the viruses are tiny particles that contains protein and genetic materials with no associated protein. So it is very important to detect the disease in plant leaves. Thus, this work focuses to detect the leaf disease. In recent days, the smartphones are widely used for various application purposes. And Android is a new operating system that is freely available in Android market. Thus, this work designs a disease classification framework using local server with the help of Android application. Let us see the flow of our project. In our project, first we have to collect leaf disease pictures and their leaf disease names. That is called dataset. Then we have to upload our dataset to the local database called WAMP server or SQLite server. WAMP server is used for uploading the image to phpMyAdmin database, and MySQLite is used for uploading it is in Android, Eclipse or Android Studio. So then we have to follow image upload. For uploading the image, we have to get the permission from camera or gallery permission in Android manifest file. Then we have to do two things mainly, namely classification and image processing. Classification is done for using KNN algorithm, and image processing is done for using grayscale process. For grayscaling, we need alpha values and RGB color values for processing the image into grayscale image. Then for that, in Android, Eclipse means we have to use OpenCV library for image processing and classification and all. In Android Studio means we have to use grayscaling gradle build properties. If the file exists in SD card, that is the diseased leaf image is identified in SD card, means we have to compare that SD card output image, that is leaf image, to our database image. If it is true, means we have to identify the leaf disease and produce the name of the disease as well as the leaf. If false, the image processing is once again done, and all the process that is file comparison and the disease identification is done. Let us see the output of our project. We run our project in emulator, which is called Android emulator. So this is our leaf disease detection app. Just click on it. This is our splash screen. When we enter into the login screen, means it will shows the username, password. If you are a new user, means you have to just register in it. So click on the register button. So we have to give username, password and the confirm password. So our username is, we have to give username and the password and the confirm password. Username, I just give username, password as 123 and confirm password also as 123. So just click on it, sign up. It will hit on the WAMP server, which is a local server, and register the information to that database called the leaf disease database. Now in login page, we have to give our username, which we already registered. So give your username here and a password here. When we click on this login, it will goes to our dashboard page, which contains upload leaf button, image processing and view result. So then we have to upload the image from our SD card. The SD card image is created by using the device monitor DDMS. So we have to push our images into images folder. So click on this upload leaf. So it will denote the annotate three options like take photo, choose from library, or cancel. So our photo is in SD card, so we have to click this choose from library. So this is our this is the leaf pictures. I am clicking now one.png. So this is our uploaded image. We have to process the image using the image processing button. This process is done by using our grayscale properties. So now the grayscale image is we have to identify. So this is also classified as well. So when we click on this view result means it will denote our disease name as well as the picture. So these informations are stored in DDMS, which is opened by using tools. In tools we have to click Android device monitoring. So this device monitoring is used for push up our images into the SD cards. So we doesn't do that means it doesn't give any pictures in our choose from library option. So just click on it and push your images in SD card, which is in storage folder. So all these WAMP server informations are stored in our PHP myadmin local server. So now I am clicking the view result button. So this fetches the information from our database and shows the this leaf contains the disease, namely bacterial spot. So now I am giving another one record. So now I am giving third image. So click on this and click this image processing. So now the image is processed. When we click on this view results means it will be shows the disease name and the leaf. This is our device monitoring. So firstly we have to push our image into this storage. So I already pushed the images into this images folder. If you need to click create new folder means just click on this plus icon and create the image folder. So then push your needed leaf disease image. Thank you for watching.